Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at what I believe to be the best oral care innovation out there, the Oral-B Glide Pro Health Threader Floss. Now, if you're like me and you prioritize oral health, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools for the job. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to this game changer. First off, let's talk about convenience. The Glide Threader Floss comes in individual packets, making it perfect for on-the-go use. No more bulky floss containers taking up space in your bag or suitcase. But convenience is just the tip of the iceberg. What sets this floss apart is its built-in threader. Yes, you heard that right. No more fumbling around with separate threaders or struggling to get floss under your bridges, braces, or implants. The one-piece design of this floss with its built-in threader makes it a breeze to use. It effortlessly slides between tight contacts without shredding, ensuring a comfortable and effective cleaning experience every time. And let's not forget about durability. This floss is designed to withstand the rigors of dental work, so you can trust it to get the job done without fraying or breaking. Plus, it's made right here in the USA, so you can feel good about supporting local manufacturing. So, if you're tired of struggling with traditional floss or separate threaders, do yourself a favor and give the Oral-B Glide Pro Health Threader Floss a try. Your teeth will thank you. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy flossing!